Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just made a video on this yesterday, and somebody commented, could you use different colors on parts of it? I'm not 100% sure what they're meaning, but I'm thinking something like this. And so yes, you can, and it's pretty cool because the red and the blues mix or even. So we're just going to do one. You'd have to do it, I think, as you're creating it. I'm going to do this one a little bit different than I did that one. And to make this work, you got to shift select both those and Control G to group them. And then I jig something. So then select it all and go up to intersect and you get that. Now, just like in before, Control D and mirror it. This might look okay. And then Control D and mirror it the other way. Yeah, that's going to be pretty cool. Now take the whole thing and weld it and then rotate it 45 degrees. And let's make it 5 inches. And you could make them all the same color at one time and then change the color. So I'm not going to weld it. I'm going to Control D, make a duplicate, mirroring it. And then I'm going to grab both of them and Control D and hit it twice. So I'm not welding it. So I'm going to Control D, but this time I'm going to mirror it. And then I'm going to weld it, or not weld it, but just, I'm not going to weld them. So what you could do, you could let's try this. Let's turn them all yellow. Let's take away the outline. And they're not, grouped together. So now you could take this one and make it red. You could take this one and make it, this would be a lot easier than, I think, than smart filling each one. And if you just do, I'm trying to use some other colors. If you just do so many colors, well, let me just get to the point here in just a second. I don't have a lot of colors on RGB to pick from. And too close to the yellow I just used. So let's go with that. Now, instead of doing this, and that's pretty cool, you could Control D and mirror it, but then you could take these and hopefully reverse them by mirroring them. And I wonder if they're going to match. Yeah, they match up, so it works. Now, it doesn't really look too spectacular, once again, until you get a black box, object, order, back a page. That's pretty cool. I like it because everything matches up. It's split. And now you just got to remember that it's broken pieces. So if you welded this together now, you're going to get all one color. So you could group it and then you could do anything you want to with it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. If not, I'm sure they'll email me back. Thank you for watching.